Hello boys and girls. Hello boys and girls. Today we are going to talk about summer holidays. Holidays, holidays. I love holidays. Yes, I love summer holidays. Okay, monkey. First, in summer holidays in Spain, it's hot or it's cold. It's hot, hot, hot. Yes, it's very, very hot. A monkey, is it sunny or is it raining? It's sunny. It's sunny. Yes, in summer, it's sunny. And what color is the sun? What color is the sun? It's blue. Monkey, blue? Oh no, it's yellow. Very good, monkey. The sun is yellow. Okay, monkey. And where are you going on your summer holidays? Where are you going on your summer holidays? Where are you going? Are you going to the beach? Are you going camping? Are you going to the mountains? Are you going to your friend's house? Where are you going? Monkey, where are you going? I'm going to Costa Brava. I'm going to the beach. Wow, monkey. Look, monkey, he's going to the beach. Yes. I love summer holidays because I go to the beach. Me too. Do you like, boys and girls? Do you like going to the beach? Yes or no? Yes? No? Okay, monkey. Can you tell the boys and girls what can you see at the beach? What can you see at the beach? I can see water. I can see the sand. I love swimming in the water. Ooh. Yes, monkey. But monkey, what do you need for the water? I can see, look, monkey has his swimming goggles. His swimming goggles. So monkey, he can go swimming. Do, 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 do. I love swimming. I love swimming. Yes, monkey. And after swimming, look, he's got his towel, a towel, because, I need to dry myself after swimming. Hey! Okay, monkey. After swimming on your summer holidays, what do you like to do? On my summer holidays, Yes, monkey, do you? Oh, yes. Summer holidays, I love eating ice cream. Ice cream. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, yes, monkey. The summer holidays, we love eating ice cream. Nom, 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 nom. Do you like ice cream? Do you like ice cream, boys and girls? Yes or no? Well, I love ice cream on my summer holidays. Okay, monkey, let's go and eat our ice cream and go on our holidays. Woo, we're going to the beach. See you next week. Bye-bye, everybody. Have a nice day.